Hi, I'm Tim Roble, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Athlete. Today we're on physical build day 33 on the truck, or kind of 32 and a half. Yesterday I took off around 1:30ish, and we headed out to Santa Monica and Venice Beach. Spent most of the day and part of the evening out there. Had a really nice time, but it gave me time to think about the project. I don't know if I mentioned it yesterday in yesterday's video. That this front section ended up being, this sheet right here is a 4x8 sheet of aluminum, and it comes up about 2.5–3 inches short. So having a little away time yesterday, it got me to thinking, like, yeah, if you did this again, I'd do it this way. Well, I want to go back and make the changes. So today's project is going to be cut. All this is 100% welded out, but I'll go through and I'll cut all of these tubes out of the front section, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 back here, 5, 6, 7, 8 there, 9, 10, because all of these angles are going to change, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, probably 15 cuts with the 4.5-inch grinder with the 6-inch wheel on it. It makes quick time to cut this stuff out. Then what I'll do is I'll take all of the pieces, I'll chop 3 inches off of them and get everything laid back out and put back in where it needs to go. Just thinking about doing the project right. You only have really one shot at doing this, and I'm putting a lot of time and effort, trying now not to have any deadlines put on myself. So we still have the inside like this, and this front section, I have plenty of room up here to do this, and I thought, you know what better time to do it than now. Problem with doing a build like this is you can design it on pieces of paper, this and that. Maybe this is a lesson learned for maybe the next one. Make sure everything lays out correctly. But I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. One of the reasons is I want less seams on the top. This is a 4x8 panel, and then this forward section will be a 4x8, so there'll only be 2 physical pieces of aluminum up on the roof on this build. And then I want to go ahead and frame out for the max air fans that it's going to go in. I think that'll end up working out really, really nice. But sometimes got to go backwards to go forward, and I'm willing to do it. Just in the end, when I'm sitting in the lawn chair looking at the rig and everything's done, I know I would say, I wish I would have done it this way, and that's true. So let's go ahead and get it knocked out right now, and we'll go from there. Updates, I ordered my 32-inch TV that's going to go right here, DC operated LED. I also got the Dish Network with the Winegard Auto Track dish for it, pay-as-you-go program. With that being said, I did a lot of research on those the satellites, the Auto Track satellites, and all of them run off of 110, which I thought was kind of weird for an RV application. Maybe there's a reason why they couldn't do it DC, but the TV's DC. I'll have to run the dish off of a inverter, which I already have a 3,000 watt inverter, not a big deal, but it's not as efficient. And because of that inefficiency, I ordered one more solar panel, so that'll put me with 400 watts of solar up on the roof, and then a 200 amp hour battery down below. That's going to be it for today. I gotta say, thank you guys so much for the positive comments. It really helps me out a lot, especially when I'm having a day where it's 100 degrees out and things aren't just going right, and you go back in to take a break and you see a positive comment. So thank you guys so much for that. That's going to be it for now. I'm Tim Roble, and I'll catch you here next time.